In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Reality Redemption Overhaul project for Red Dead Redemption. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract here option. Once extract done, right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop the extracted folder inside the your game folder. Open the folder and RR Beta 3.0 PC installer BAT. Right click and select run as administrator and select run option and select yes. Press any key to continue, press any key and press in keyboard one key to install this Reality Redemption. Press the one key and install automatically. Once this done, press any key to exit. Now you can launch the game. Successfully installed. I'll show you guys before and after graphics comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.